listening to motivational speeches are very important because they help to inspire you, enhance your creativity, reduce stress, anxiety, fear, etc., and help you to set the right goals in life. Motivational sessions among students helps them in widening their perspective, improves their task management, helps them come up with new ideas and solutions, reduces anxiety, fear, depression, etc., builds confidence, and very important, makes them realize the value of both failure and success. We at Elysian understand the power of motivation, and we are on a mission to motivate as many students as possible and help them in achieving their academic goals.